Hello guys, so welcome to the channel. So now that you have an idea about what this cryptocurrency and blockchain concept is all about, and you have your Binance account set up, I want us to jump on how to buy your first cryptocurrency right here in Ghana. I mean, not only in Ghana, the steps basically are the same, but if you're a Ghanaian watching me, let me show you how to buy your first Bitcoin using the Binance P2P feature on the Binance app. So if you're ready, let's get on with it. So before you start, you need to download the Binance app as we did the last time and set up your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, just go to the Play Store or Apple Store and download it and use the code that you see on the screen to register to have 10% cashback or discount on all your trades. All right, so let's start by going to, if you don't have an account, just go to the app. I use Android, so let's go to the Play Store and voila, you can see the Binance app. Let me type the Binance, Binance. You see the Binance app, and I've already installed it, so I just have to go to open, and it's open. All right, so okay, let me enter my security. All right, so it's entered. All right, so if you have a fresh account, you should have a balance of zero. I have some few dollars in this particular account, all right, for tutorials. So let me show you how to deposit on the Binance platform and begin your first trade. All right, so what you have to do is, you see a deposit feature here. We are not going to use that. We are going to use the cheapest way to acquire cryptocurrency on the Binance platform, or to buy cryptocurrency on the Binance platform, and this feature is called the Binance P2P. all right, so next let's navigate to the Binance P2P. You see deposit, you see referral, you see launchpad and all that. All right, sometimes you can see the P2P there, but if you don't see it, just go to more. You see more here. All right, and you can see it. Or to make it more simple and convenient, you just go to the search bar and type P2P. P2P means peer to peer or person to person, all right, which means you buy from another merchant or on the Binance platform. Binance becomes the facilitator for the transaction between you and the person who's also trading on the Binance platform. All right, so search for P2P. All right, let me go over again. Just on the Binance app, all right, you go to more and you can see P2P. If you don't see it, you go to search and you type P2P here and you tap on the P2P. all right, so as you can see, the P2P feature is now available, it's now open for you. All right, now you have two feature. You have the buy and you have the sell. You have P2P, you have the P2P Express. All right, if we have the cash, I'll show you how those features works, but for today we are using the P2P, the simple P2P. all right, so let's go to P2P, and as you can see, we have the buy and we have the sell. all right, so if you want to sell your crypto, this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on the sell feature, and let's say you've made some profits, you've made some gains on your trade, or you've invested on the Binance platform, you have engaged in any part of how do you call it, a transaction. You have won NFT, you bought NFT, you've sold NFT, you have, let me say, you've sold your NFT, you've sold your crypto. I mean, you have engaged in some sort of transaction, you've won some giveaway or whatsoever, and you want to sell it. all right, you just send it to your Binance funding wallet. We'll go over when we start with how to sell your cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. all right, and you go use the sell session. But today we are going to buy our first cryptocurrency, so we are not going to concentrate on the sell, we are rather going to concentrate on the buy feature. all right, so as you can see, we have our first merchant. All these people you see on the platform are merchants. all right, they are verified merchants who are also selling cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. all right, so we see the first merchant is called Toronto Buy Cheap, and this is what I want you to look out. all right, you see, for Toronto Buy Cheap, he has completed about 1,243 trades, and he has about 96.50 completion rates. all right, and his price is 11.50 cedis. Let's say $1 is $1 is 11.50 cedis. all right, so if you are buying, let's say $1 of Bitcoin, if you are buying, let's say $1 of Bitcoin, you multiply $1 times 11.56, making 11.56, which means it will cost you 11.56 to get $1 worth of crypto or USDT or whatsoever. all right, mind you, we are going to buy USDT. If you check here, we have USDT, we have BTC, we have BUSD, we have BNB, we have ETH, all right, and Solana. all right, we are going to buy the dollar directly. all right, so that we use the dollar to buy Bitcoin or whichever currency, if the currency you want to trade with. all right, so now let's focus on the USDT feature. All right, so okay, so the first person that the Toronto buy cheap has already sold all his coins, so now it's off the market. We have a new person called Nima 44 Bar Center. All right, he has completed 2,170 trades with a completion rate of 76.10. all right, so let's quickly buy from him, and he accepts MTN mobile money. So let's scroll down. You see this person also, the next person 730 accepts MTN mobile money. We have people accepting bank transfer. You can see someone accepting Vodafone Cash, and all that. Vodafone Cash, some even accept Airtel mobile money and all that. All right, so let's focus. Let's settle the first guy. I mean, he has a quite impressive completion rate and also traits. All right, so let's go to the buys, tap on the buy. But before then, you need to also add, how do you call it, you don't have to actually. When we go to the sell feature, I'll show you how to add I'll show you how to add your mobile money wallet, so that whenever you sell, it will come to your mobile money wallet directly. All right, let's not focus on the sell today. We are focusing on the buy. All right, so now let's buy our first crypto. All right, so let's go to let's select the first guy, and he's a verified merchant. Okay, so now, he has been blocked. All right, I don't know. Oh, sorry. All right, I clicked on him to view his profile. All right, that's why you see his feedback and all that. We should tap on the buy. All right, so now let's tap on the buy. All right, which means we are buying from him. All right, so now if you check here, you have the price here 11.57, and his limit is 100 to 655. all right, so he only has maximum 655 cedis worth of US dollar or crypto to sell. All right, so let's say if I tap on 1,000 cedis, which means I can't buy. You see the maximum quantity is 655. all right, 100 cedis to 655. If I reduce it to 100, you see it's okay. All right, so maybe if you are buying, let's say 1,000 cedis, you just check, all right, how much you see. Initially I saw 100 to 1,000 cedis, but when I tapped on it, I realized that probably he sold some of the coins. All right, so and it hasn't been updated yet. So you see 100 to 655, and if I tap 100, if I type 1,000, I won't be able to buy. All right, then if I want to buy more, I move to the next person, 250 to 2,000, and I mean it goes on and on and on. All right, so you check with the maximum and the minimum. All right, scrolling down, you can see a merchant called the Coin King. His limit is 300 cedis to 5,000. So if I tap on buy, let's not deal with bank transfer. Let's focus on the mobile money. All right, let's focus on mobile money. Okay, this guy is selling from 300 to 1,000. all right, if you go to buy and we tap on 1,000, you see we'll be able to buy, and his limit, the least amount you can buy is 300. all right, so let's see if I enter 80 cedis, it won't work. If I enter 100, it won't work. all right, so you check his minimum and you also check the maximum, all right, to know if you fall within the range before you set. all right, so let's start with the first guy. The first guy is 100 to 1,000, which of course when we tapped on it was 100 to 655. We are just trying with 100. all right, I'm not buying anyway, but I just want to demonstrate to you. So let's type 100. all right, you see the 100 will get 6.64 US dollar. all right, because if you multiply 100 by if you divide 100 by 11.56, 11.57, which is his rate, you get 8.64 how do you call it, USDT. If you have to buy 655 from him, the entire coin from, you get 56.61 US dollar. all right, so let's say we are buying $100. all right, then what do you have to do? We just go to buy. all right, I'm just demonstrating, I'm not buying. all right, now if you go to buy, you see order has been created, and you have pay seller within 14.49 seconds, and the minutes and the seconds is counting down. all right, so if you scroll down, you see the payment method and whatever. all right, let's go to chat. all right, tap on the chat, and let me show you one thing about this chat. If you are trading with anyone, all right, make sure that every conversation you have with the person stays within the Binance app. all right, make sure that you chat the person on the Binance app. Don't chat the person outside of the app. Sometimes you can get some merchants who will tell you that, oh please, let's chat within the app, I'm busy, I'm not home, and that they give you so many nice stories and tell you that let's chat on WhatsApp. And you tell, when you go to WhatsApp, you will tell that send the money through this, allow cash out, and do this, and when you do it, you won't hear from him again, and you can't complain to Binance, because Binance has made available chat, so that when there is any dispute or whatever, they can refer to the chats here. all right, so make sure that you stay on the Binance app and chat with whoever you are transacting with. all right, so now the guy is saying drop number and allow cash out. All right, so now let's drop our mobile. It's like going to a mobile money vendor to cash out. If you go there, you type, you state your number, or you tell them your number. They will enter your number. They will tell you to allow cash out, and you will see a prompt on your phone, and you allow cash out. You check that that's the amount you requested to withdraw, and you allow cash out, and the money goes out of your mobile phone. All right, so it's pretty much the same. So you see this guy, he says drop number and allow cash out. Let's say the number we are dropping is 0550000. I'm not buying no, I'm just making an example. When you do it and you send, all right, you send, he will record the number, and then you allow cash out, so that he would prompt you to confirm the transaction, so that you can get the money you are buying. So if now in our case we are buying 100, if I type the number and send and allow cash out, I'll receive a prompt that 100 CD is about to be deducted from my mobile money wallet. All right, then I can confirm for the money to be deducted. All right, I'm not doing that, so I won't send, but ideally after type the number I have to send and allow cash out for transaction to proceed. All right, so I'm not buying. So let's assume I have entered the number, I've sent to him, and I've allowed cash out, and the money has been deducted from my mobile phone. The next thing is to tap on make payment, which means the payment has been made. All right, so let's say make payment. All right, so now we have already done everything. The transaction has been deducted from us, and what we have to do next is to tap on the transferred, and is to tap on transferred notify seller, which means the money has been deducted from our account. Let's notify seller. So if you tap on it, then the seller will be notified and he will release your crypto to you. It's as simple as that. So if you bought 100 CDs worth of cryptocurrency, or 100 CDs worth of dollar will be credited into your Binance account. All right, so it's that's simple. All right, so after the money has been deducted, after you have notified the seller and the money has been transferred to you, the money would appear. Or I have to cancel this. All right, I have to leave this trade. I was just trying. All right, I'm not buying. So all right, after I've done all this, the money should appear in my wallet. All right, you come here, tap on wallet, it should appear in your funding wallet. All right, so ideally if you tap on the wallet, you see an overview stating how much you have. So if it's a fresh account, you see 0. all right, but if you have something like I have some $55, you see $55 on this particular account. This account I use it for training basically, so it's not my real account. So let's go to spot is the amount that I have that I use for trades. All right, so overview is the totality of everything that you have in your account, but if you go to spot, you give you a detail how much I have in spot. But if you buy crypto using the P2P platform, it will go to your funding wallet. The funding wallet is like your wallet. So if you want to use some to trade, you can go to transfer and transfer it to your spot wallet. From funding to spot wallet, then the money will then appear in your spot wallet. Then probably you can start trading. All right, so now if you buy from the P2P, it will come to your funding wallet. You see that the money has appeared in your funding wallet. Then you decide on what to use the money for. So you can see on the Binance platform, there are so many ways to earn crypto or to participate in crypto. They have auto invest, they have e-staking, they have trading, they have a whole lot of features on the Binance platform that will tackle one by one. All right, so today we learned how to buy your first Bitcoin using your mobile money on the Binance platform using the Binance P2P feature. All right, I hope this video was very useful to you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe if you've not subscribed yet, and also let me know what you think about this video, if this video indeed was helpful. And if you have any question, make sure that you comment, let me know. And if you also want to connect personally with me, just check on the description. I have my link tree there. You connect with me and we start a conversation. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.